quick short story. I saw this car for sale on Carfax.com. I went to go look at the car. I had no idea it was wrapped. I had no idea it was cammed and full bolt-on and tuned. So imagine, and by the way, it's got switched valve mufflers, so it sounds like open exhaust.
Yeah.
So I walked up to the dealership and I was like, hey, can I see the Camaro you have for sale? And then I started looking at this thing. I was like, dude, it's wrapped. It's got full bolt-on cammed, and it has the Texas speed valve electronic mufflers in the back. I just instantly fell in love with the car and I had to buy it.
Most people would walk away. Like red flag, red flag, red flag. Nope, not for us. Green flags.
It was perfect because I walked into the dealer and I was like, hey man, that car's wrapped. You should give me like $3 grand off because it needs a new wrap.
And they're like, oh yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
You're like, oh wait, that car.
Welcome back to another Crown Racing Co. video. In this video today, we're going to be installing 2 oil separators on my 2015 Camaro SS 1LE. Now, this video today is sponsored and brought to you by J&L Oil Separator Company, but we'll talk more about that later. What I want to start off talking to you guys about is why I'm installing oil catch cans on my Camaro. I just got done taking this 1LE Camaro to a track day, and I found a weak point in the current PCV system and clean side cold air intake system that needs attention because, long story short, during my track day, I sucked in oil into my air intake, and we don't want that to happen again. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So when I first bought this car, I obviously bought it used. I looked over the whole car to see if the previous owner did anything that I need to know about. And while I was looking over the car when I bought it, I found this. Now, I do want to make this clear. This is installed correctly, and the vehicle is supposed to have this clean side oil line, breather line, going to the cold air intake system. But look at this. My Camaro has a Texas Speed Stage 3 cam, Texas Speed long tube headers, full exhaust, and a K&N cold air intake, and it's tuned. I personally did not dyno it. The previous owner dynoed it, and it made almost 500 wheel horsepower. So when I bought this car, I looked at this line here. You guys see this line here? And I was like, huh, that's weird. Why would there be a line going from the valve cover to the cold air intake? I was like, isn't that gonna suck in oil when I'm take it to a track day and go wide open throttle for almost the entire time? And I looked it up online, and everyone was like, oh, the valve cover is baffled a lot. It won't suck up oil. It won't happen. Well, I took it to a track day and I found oil in my intake. Obviously, we don't want oil in our intake. That's not desirable. It's gonna build up carbon on the valves, and it could just really mess stuff up. It's not supposed to be there. So that brings us to the sponsor of our video today, J&L Oil Separator Company. Here are the 2 oil separator kits that I got from J&L Oil Separator Company. Right here is their kit for the PCV system. This kit comes with everything you need for a manual or an automatic Camaro. Now, this kit over here is for the clean side vent system for the cold air intake like I showed you previously. We're going to be installing both of these kits today, and I will tell you, just looking at the parts right now, everything looks like nice high quality stuff. If you come check out here, we have a nice anodized aluminum catch can with filter installed just like that. So the filter is going to go on the dirty side of the circuit that we're installing for PCV.
Yeah, let me get a close-up of that. Let's get a close-up of that.
It's got a nice filter in there. The catch can is definitely big enough to hold any of the oil it's going to collect while you're on the track beating on your car. And it comes with everything you need to install these parts on your Camaro. And bonus points, even comes with instructions, with pictures. So what we're going to start off with first is we're going to install the PCV kit. And then we'll finish off with installing the catch can for the clean side vent system on the cold air intake. Traditionally, you would only buy an oil catch can for the PCV circuit, However, at my last track day, I learned that I'm sucking oil in through that line on the cold air intake.
Because you drive the car a bit harder than a daily driver, right?
Yeah.
That's why we're doing this second catch can.
Yeah, I never had this problem until I took it to the track, but obviously I do not want oil getting into my cold air intake. I'm not sure if it happens on the street or the track only, but regardless, oil got in my cold air intake, so I'm putting a catch can in line on that vent circuit so that never happens again. So now this is a custom kit for the cold air intake that you can't just immediately buy online as of right now. I contacted J&L and asked them to make this custom kit for me. So now you guys can also email J&L and ask for this custom kit as well for your cold air intake if you want one too. J&L makes oil separator kits for multiple different make and models. Even if you don't have a Camaro, go to J&L's website and I guarantee you that they will have a oil separator kit that you're looking for your hot rod. So we are going to install the PCV kit first. Let me show you what the PCV system currently looks like stock on this LS3. Right here is the end of the circuit going to the intake manifold. And the hose that wraps around and goes to the metal fitting is the beginning of the PCV circuit connecting to the valley. We're gonna put the oil separator in between these two ports. The bracket for the catch can is gonna go off this bottom bolt on the serpentine belt tensioner, and it's gonna sit in this area. And then I'm just gonna use a little flathead screwdriver here to undo the quick disconnect fittings on the stock line.
So now let's just quickly talk about the other one while we're here.
We'll talk about the other one when we get to the other one.
Okay,
right?
okay, fair.
I can't do two kits at once. I
Okay.
do one at a time.
Trust the process. Trust it. Hey, Mark, why is there yellow under there?
The car is wrapped.
I thought the car was gray.
No, the car is wrapped Nardo gray. It's actually a yellow.
You bought a transformer. Say it. You bought an Autobot.
I bought a transformer. I bought an Autobot, and it's technically bright yellow is the paint code.
No hose clamp?
No, it's barbed fitting. You shouldn't need hose clamps.
Yeah, it's low pressure. Just checking. Just checking.
There should be no pressure or else we got problems. Maybe a little bit, but nothing.
You're right. It should be vapor.
I think I like that through the harness.
God, this is so much better than rebuilding engines or doing a cam swap.
And it's certainly easier.
Big dopamine hit, and it's nice and easy. Look at you.
Yeah.
Look at you go.
This thing's probably going to make 1,000 horsepower.
Oh my
after
God.
this.
That was actually 3 minutes.
Yeah.
That was legitimately 3 minutes.
Yeah.
One more to go. Come on.
Stop the clock. So now we're going to install the oil catch can for the clean side vent system on the cold air intake. I don't know what this stud's actually for in Camaro land, but in my Camaro land, it works perfect for a catch can.
It's probably for the V6 model because they were cringy enough to make that.
Probably orientation somewhere around there is going to get her done. Now, 15 minutes has gone by and we have both the kits installed. Check it out. I think it came out really good. The kits look nice and all the parts were high quality. It came together pretty quickly here. So right here we have the oil separator for the PCV system bolted or attached to the belt tensioner here. Looks nice and clean. No kinks in the lines.
Belt still needs tension.
Bell still needs tension. I'm gonna finish that after this outro. And here is the oil separator for the clean side for the cold air intake vent.
It looks so good.
Looks really nice, and that's it. It probably took me 15 minutes to install. So if you guys want to get a J&L oil separator kit for your car, go check out their website, link in the description. And as always, you guys know the deal. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.